Welcome to our Excel training. Let's use the sort and get function in Microsoft Excel to retrieve the number of values we have selected. First, let's select our headers from the list we have here. We will copy them and then use the special paste options below. Paste it while keeping the column width. Subsequently, we will take this list here in a sorted format. We will write the equals and then sort it. We will select the table that we want to sort. Add a semicolon. According to which column will we sort? 1, 2, 3, and 4. I will write 4 here as well. Another semicolon. For instance, let's write -1 in descending and ascending order. When you hit enter, observe the values here. It will show as a sorted table from largest to smallest. Now, let's go here. By clicking on data again, select data validation. Select the list from here and proceed to the sort area. If you wish, you can input data such as 5, semicolon, 10, semicolon, 15. Add a comma here. After clicking OK, click the arrow here. If you see them side by side instead of stacked, return to data validation. Or you can use a comma instead of semicolons here. Then, when we select a data point from here, we will take the first 5 records, or from here. When we get there and select it, we will receive the first 10 records. We are coming to the beginning of our formula here. Like this, after the equal sign, we apply the take formula and proceed to the end. Adding the semicolon, we pick the value here. After closing the parenthesis and pressing enter, you will see that the first 10 values appear. Then, coming from here, if you modify the value in this way, when you set it to 5, you will see the first 5 values. When you directly change it to 15 from here, you will see the first 15 values appear. Let's select these areas and separate the thousands with Ctrl+Shift!. With the sort and take formula together, we can easily retrieve as much data as we select in tables.